Get him. You're good?
Power or luck with desire.
Yeah.
Something's missing, but the show must go on.
Those are from Jemmy. They haven't made like one in years. I'm honestly surprised they didn't have any more Pumpkin Punisher. I really thought they, because one guy just came out of the store and they're like, oh yeah, they have like 50 of them.
You know what spooky news is?
Yeah.
I guess he got the last one, he said.
Oh.
Like, it wouldn't be a problem, but the problem is you only use this for one day. You can't walk the coupons. So
Yeah.
like frozen ones, so good.
What else is on your list?
I was thinking either maybe Michael or...
They got Mike.
I know, they do have Mike.
This guy's a lot bigger than I thought he was.
Yeah. He got executed, so...
Yeah, his voice is not good.
He's jumping up like slow now, but he's been activated all day.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a lot slow. There's also ones of him. Didn't you say you wanted him? Or is that someone else?
Is he still here?
Yeah, there's one right there. Well, this guy's dead.
No, I know, but then when someone else stepped on it, it worked. Step pad's actually tweaking.
There we go.
There we go. I like how smooth his mouth and his eye feels.
Yeah. I'm getting this guy too. I got 11 props on the year. Who is that one guy that...
So, like, what do I do about the sign on top of Michael's box? Do I just take that off?
Just put it on, yeah.